my channel, and today I did a Smokey cat eye tutorial for you guys. So it's been such a long time since I've done any videos. I mean, hello. It's like everybody's like, oh, you have to do more videos. It's been so long time. It's been like 3 weeks. I mean, hello. So I have been like really like busy with the weight loss, and I can even see that my face is like, well, a little bit thinner, but what can I say? So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I gotta say that a little bit on the end didn't come through, but I will explain that to you on the end anyway. So I love you guys so much. Remember to subscribe, like my Facebook page, and you know what?
Whatever, who cares? Just watch the goddamn video.
Love you guys. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with doing my MAC paint pot. So this prevents the eyeshadow from creasing. Yeah, you guys already know this kind of stuff. You can buy this at MAC, online, wherever you want. Okay, so take any light eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow. I'm using the 88 palette from Coastal Scents, the warm palette. So I'm gonna take that really warm brown eyeshadow on the crease. So this is gonna be the main color on the crease. So we're gonna like really blend and blend and blend. So I'm gonna use my Sigma something A40 brush and blend this on the crease. I'm gonna take the 80 palette again, so I'm gonna use a really shimmery, kind of like a rose vanilla eyeshadow from the palette. I'm gonna take this on the crease with a big domed brush and just patting it off kind of like halfway, and then going into the tear duct a little bit, and then just going a little bit down to get that really highlighted, like so. So what I'm gonna do now is to take a really dark brown, kind of like a chocolate brown eyeshadow on my lid, and just a little bit up to my crease, and then we're gonna take it just a little bit, kind of like that wing on the outside. And I'm using a fluffy brush, a really big fluffy brush. So we are gonna use a lot of this brown color. Just remember to blend as much as you can. So this video is all about the blending and making that really cat eye effect. And then what I'm gonna do now is take that really brown eyeshadow and using the point of my brush, and then just going inwards on the crease to get kind of like that really upwards effect. I'm sorry, my dog is like really barking. Shh. It's really like barking a lot, so sorry for that. Just ignore him. Just like so. So what I'm going to do now is to take my thumb like pointing up. So I'm gonna take the same brush again. The same brush. And I'm gonna take a matte black. So we're gonna use that on the lid. A little bit on the lid, just to give that really like smoky effect. Just a little bit on the lid. And then going just a little bit into the crease. Just like so. So what I'm gonna do now is to use my Sigma brush, and I'm gonna take that really light brown eyeshadow that we used on the beginning and just smoking it a little bit up. Like so. And then we're gonna use a matte white vanilla eyeshadow and putting this under our eyebrow, giving that really like highlight. So as you guys can see, I have like pointy black into my, kind of like those two right there. So we're just gonna blend. Like so. So hi guys, I'm back. So a little bit of the clip went bye-bye on me, so I forgot to show you guys my finish touches on the eyes. I did the eyeliner. Just do your eyeliner like normally, and the eyelashes I used was Ardell 116 and 113. Oh my god, I have hiccups. So I already did my blush. The blush I used was the L'Oreal Rosebud. And then the lips, I'm gonna just go for our nude pink. So you guys know I love Rimmel. So the only lipstick I love is Rimmel. So I'm gonna use this really light, gorgeous pink, really natural pink. Just to pop up the eyes a little bit. So you guys, this is absolutely the finished look. I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. So I love you guys so much. And remember, down below is like everything that you need to know. So goodbye. Ciao.